vision. Stop playing. 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 Stop playing with AC Jones. Yeah. Stop playing with AC Jones. Just keep it real. Stop playing with AC
What's up?
Jones.
This is your girl AC Jones coming to you with Stop Playing Video Recap Blog. A recap of the most talked about reality shows and entertainment news. Here at Stop Playing, we're going to give you the gossip, the scoop, and the truth all in a matter of minutes. And we're being brought to you by Productions by MJ and Black Vision Entertainment. Yes, there's a lot of mess going on because there's season's finales, and then you have some of our wacky stars doing some of the wackiest things. So let's get started. The first point of contact or information that I want to talk about is Kanye West. And it's personal to me because I'm a little confused by Kanye. It seems the more tight his pants gets, the more brain power he uses. I think this young man can be an absolutely phenomenal young man, but I feel as though he has really lost himself. Right now, he's thinking he's engaged to Kim Kardashian. Boy, don't you know too many people have ran up behind that butt, okay? This is why she is not married to the football player Reggie Bush, okay? Because his mother said no, 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 no. But unfortunately, since your mother is not here, God rest her soul, I think you need to go home to Auntie and them, okay? Or Grandmama and them. And take off them tight jeans and put you on a normal 38. And sit down in a garage with a fan and with a Budweiser. Or you can even get a Corona and have some real man talk. Okay, Kanye? Because I don't know if you're going up, down, sideways, or out the way, okay? Enough on that bullet point. I have something special for some of you fabulous ladies over 30. Yes, Miss Lady O is coming out with something new for the lovely ladies over 30. If you feel like you have talent and you missed your time when you were in your 20s and you want to be in front of the camera, on the run walk, or even in print ads, I would strongly encourage you to go to Lady O's page and look for models because she's doing a huge model search for women over 30 because at 30 you're more than fabulous, okay? So don't let anybody tell you different. And Lady O agrees with me, okay? So let's keep it moving. I want to move on and talk just 1 second about Bobbi Kristina. And I promise you guys, I'm going to try to make this the last time that I say anything about her. But will you guys please leave her the hell alone, okay? Because what I've read is she has a disease. It's simply a disease. And she needs to be hospitalized and she needs to be cured of her disease. And who are we to judge? Because we all live in glass houses. So leave the daggone girl alone. Enough said, period, exclamation point. We're not going to talk about it anymore. But now, I do have some advice for somebody else. And her name is Brandy. Brandy, you started off with stardom at a young age. But let me tell you, baby, you are rolling with the big dogs now. I am just a little perplexed as to why your management, whom is supposed to be your mom, doesn't tell you to step up your game, boo. Okay, when The Girl Was Mine came out, you took the mic from Monica and you stole you stole the show. You know, you and Whitney was friends. You knew everybody in Hollywood. You went on a Jay Leno show. You sung this song by yourself. But karma is a MF, ain't it? Okay? Every time you and Monica get up on the stage, my girl Monica, she steals the show, the mic, the audience, the people, the television. She is just awesome. And kudos to my homegirl. But I like you, Brandy. And you do have a spot on the game. But what my suggestion would be to you and your management is to quit acting like that dear 12-year-old that we used to love and adore, Moesha. She a grown-ass lady now, okay? So every time you pick up a mic, it's not necessary that you give us that little giggle, ha, ha. .com. It's not necessary, honey. We want to see a grown lady, okay? Just like Monica, singing on the mic, selling out. We look forward to your album going #1, Monica, and kudos to you, all right? Now let's talk about some of these housewives. I'm going to start off with the simplest one that they have on the network right now, and I have to be totally honest. I don't know what happened to the Beverly Hills Housewives of Orange County. No, I take that back. I done mixed them all together because all there is Botox, boobs, and glycerin, and injections. All of them have the same thing. You ladies don't need all that. Enough is enough already. But what I was trying to say was Orange County has gone to sugar in a shitheel, okay? And forgive my language. But we see more Botox and boobs than we see anything. There is no storyline, no plot. We don't know what's going on. All we know is that you ladies don't eat carbs. You love double Ds. You love lip injections. And you love nose jobs. Other than that, we need more. Give us more. And if Bravo is in the business of giving away money, let's help stimulate the economy by dropping that show and dropping some dollar bills in other people's accounts, okay? Just randomly, okay? Just for anything, because we're not getting anything from that show. Now, I want to talk about the Atlanta Housewives. And you guys get ready because Stop Playing TV is going to have a panel like no other when the reunion show comes out. And I have already seen it, but I will not let the cat out of the bag. Not everything, because you got to see it for yourself. But what I will tell you is Nene's favorite word, I'm rich, bitch. I understand why she said it. Okay, let me explain one thing. To rich people, little money is no money. To poor people, a little money is a lot of money. Nanithia Leakes makes $750,000 a season to be on the Atlanta Housewives. She received an additional $250,000 to be on the reunion show. She received $25,000 to be on Donald Trump's show, not to mention the residuals that she gets and the connections that she obviously made. Because welcome to the Rolex Club, Nene. I officially welcome you, okay? Because if you hadn't had one with them $750,000, you should have bought one. But again, we welcome you. But still, honey, remember you are from Athens and you don't have it like that. You need to get it while the getting is good. Get you a speech coach. As I said the last time, get you an acting coach and get it popping, locking, and dropping. And just take it for all it's worth. Now, what I have to say to you, Miss Cynthia, you're making less than $400,000 a season. Your husband Peter is making about $75,000. He makes a little more than Apollo. Apollo makes $50,000. And as we understand, every time Croy appears and every time, yes, Miss Marlowe appears, she makes $75,000, but she has to be on call. Look, Cynthia, get you a gig other than the Bailey Agency. See, us Southern folks here, this is not the capital of modeling. Despite what you think, you're not going to find another Naomi here, okay? You're not. You're not. If so, you would be bigger than what you are. All that is saved for New York. Do I love my city and do I love my town? Absolutely. But let me give you a history lesson. It never has happened. It never will happen. Honey, don't keep your dream alive. Keep the dream alive. There is something that you can contribute to, but this happens not to be it. And I would hate for you to be in a situation like She by Sheree. Sheree is officially out of the gang. Yes, I said it. She is out of the gang. And guess what? Sheree's salary was a whopping $550,000. And so I have no feelings about Sheree being dismissed. What the heck? Do we not have a Chateau Sheree? What happened to She by Sheree with $550,000, girl? Quit playing. Sheree is back in the gym lifting weights. She is a muscle woman now. That is her occupation 100% of the time. But you know what? This is what happens when we don't take advantage of opportunities and we want to go around and carry every color Birkin bag and can't afford it. Take notes from Nanethia Leaks. She's a rich bitch, okay? And just like I told you, $750,000 plus $25,000 plus $150,000 equals close to $1 million. So to rich people, she's broke. But to broke people, she's rich. So we get it now, Nanethia Leaks. You're a rich bitch, okay? Now, as far as I can tell you for the reunion, you guys are going to love my panel because they're going to have a lot to say, and I just don't want to spill the beans. I just need to move on to another subject. And let me go ahead and do it before I tell too much. But it is a hot boiling mess like hot peanuts at a baseball game. Let's talk about the Braxton family values. Didn't you just love the season finale show? It was wonderful. I love those girls because they have values. I am truly going to miss them. Can't wait till the next season. They blog, they reblog. If you tweeted them, they tweeted you back during the show. You guys were taught manners, and this is why your ratings are so well. But now what I don't understand from the diva sister Toni is, you already know that the star of the show is Tamar because she was voted most likable for the last 2 years. But Tamar, as gracious as she is, and as gracious as most of you don't know she is, she bowed down and said, you know what? All of my sisters are stars. I'm not the only star on this show. But honey, you really are. WeLoveYou.com, okay? I'm feeling it. I really am. Popping it. But now with you, Toni, I like you. I say it all the time. I'm one of your biggest supporters. But I don't support the fact that you don't want to be on the show anymore. That you think that it's too invasive and that you need to focus on your music career. Didn't you know about that before you got started? And I'm sure your mama taught you don't start things you can't finish. So you need to take the next 6 months and marinate on that, okay? Come back to the show, because before you got on the show, we thought you were just another millionaire, always in bankruptcy court, reconstructing their finances, okay? But now we know the person behind the song. We know you're not just singing another sad love song. We know that you really want to work. We know that you have some health issues. We love Toni. Let's start a petition. We love Toni Braxton. Be on the show. But enough said, Toni. Think about that and marinate on it. Next, we have the New Jersey Housewives. It is getting ready to come, and it is going to be explosive as it can get. That Teresa has turned into a hot mess. But again, I would like for you to see it yourself. But until next week, love, peace, and hair grease, and we're back. And thank you for watching, and continue to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. Peace, love, and hair grease. Stop playing.